So I've now disconnected the T&P. I've disconnected the T&P. I've disconnected the gas flex
From here?
from the gas valve. Disconnected both water lines on both sides. So now we just wait to see the water keep draining out. Now I'm cutting off the T&P drain line because we're going to replumb that in.
Why you
up to
couldn't?
code.
Why you couldn't it there, at that specific spot?
No reason. But you can't use these accordions in copper. But you can use accordion in steel.
Because it doesn't reduce.
It does not reduce.
Okay. Just tell me what to do though.
You're gonna back the valve. You wanna back the valve with a piece of pliers or a tool so it doesn't break the water heater valve. And you want to turn this bad boy out. Oh, I guess we're gonna have to break all this apart first. One piece at a time.
Take this piece off.
You have to take it all out so you can get to here. What we're trying to get is to right here.
Take it off.
Okay, so this is a drip leg. Drip leg is a sediment catcher with a cap, so you
Is
just
that already
come
put
off.
together like how it's gonna be?
No, this, yeah, like that. It's gonna go like that. You're gonna have to build it one piece at a time.